Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert SIM and memory card on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Simply pick your SIM ejector and mobile phone. As you can see the SIM tray, on the front side you can insert SIM 1 and on the back side you can insert SIM 2 or micro SD card. So currently I have a SIM, so I will insert it on the front side. Simply like this. Now just put this SIM tray on your phone. As you can see, signals are coming. This is how you can insert SIM and memory card on your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.